Turned up at Fairford Close this morning to a rather substantial fly tip. A lot of household waste. We've already taken one lorry full away. We're now filling up the second lorry full, and then we'll be back for a third. There's a couple of fridge freezers, mattresses, beds and cupboards also within the fly tip.
80% of this is recyclable, roadside recyclable, cardboard. They've got tins and cans, plastic bottles, cardboard, and then there's lots of toys and things that could be sent to charity shops, shoes and clothing. So lots of stuff that needn't be here.
We've been sifting through it for evidence. We found quite a few names and addresses and documentation, and we will be following this up. Following interviews, if there's sufficient evidence, the perpetrators of this, and it looks like there are multiple perpetrators, may well go to court and be faced with prosecution for the way they've disposed of their waste.